Today we are going to talk about another IKEA Symfonisk product. The entry-level bookshelf priced at $99 is by far the cheapest product you can buy with Sonos name attached to it. Let's see what's what. Hey everyone, this is Sam from TGE. Let's jump right in. So this speaker goal is to bring the sound quality of a Sonos speaker and the simplistic and stylish design of an IKEA product. IKEA goal is to blend the speaker into your bookshelf or allow you to use it as a shelf. Although I won't recommend putting anything fragile on it. So there are two ways that you can mount this speaker. One is the wall bracket at $20 and the other option is the speaker hook if in case you want to hang it. You also have the option to mount the speaker on a high ground and opt in for a sound remote which allows you to control the volume without pressing the button in front of the speaker. But if you want to add the sound remote, you need to also purchase the gateway kit, which is the same as the gateway used to control IKEA smart lights. The box, as always, is very simplistic in its design, and once you open it, you get a braided cable and a LAN cable in case you want to hardwire it. And finally, the speaker. There are two different channels on the back of the speaker, allowing you to route the wire either horizontally or vertically. You can also remove the front of the speaker, which reveals the woofer and the tweeter. The pairing process is the same as the Symfonisk table lamp, and the Sonos app has come a long way from being filled with bugs to a more streamlined and easy to use application. The sound quality is very good for its price tag, but I would suggest everyone who owns one of these to go to his EQ preferences in the app and crank up the bass and the treble. Otherwise, you might feel that the music is a bit flat. The speaker also supports AirPlay too, and this allows you to play your music through different devices. For $99, I would definitely recommend this speaker as it provides a decent sound quality, and paired with a bunch of Sonos speakers, it can give you an excellent sound experience. I hope this video helped you guys, and please don't forget to comment and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, as this will help this channel to grow and get better over the time. Also make sure to subscribe so you wouldn't miss any future contents. Thank you all for watching this video. This is Sam from Tech Got Easy. Peace.